Let's talk oil. Oil is the lifeblood of your vehicle. It helps keep your engine lubricated and clean. So guess what? A lot can happen if you neglect its oil. None of it good. Run out of oil and the metal-on-metal friction could get so hot, your engine can literally weld itself together. This could have you seeing red. Or let's say your engine has oil, but you seldom change it. Two things can happen over time. 1. Dirt can build up in the oil, making it thick and abrasive, which can cause engine damage and eventual failure. Or 2. The good stuff in your oil, like detergents, rust fighters, and friction reducers, will break down, which can lead to a loss of lubrication, and again, can cause engine damage and eventual failure. And here's a little tip about oil filters. They're not all the same. Your engine needs a filter that is specifically engineered for it, like a genuine Mopar oil filter. So don't skimp on generic one-size-fits-all brands. Bottom line, your engine needs regular oil and filter changes. How often depends on a variety of factors, like the age of your vehicle, whether your engine is gas or diesel, and your driving habits and conditions. So hey, check your oil often and get it changed regularly. It can help you do more than avoid big-time engine damage. It can also help you enjoy some great benefits, like longer engine life and smoother, quieter performance. So if your vehicle is due for an oil change, bring it to the Mopar service experts at your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer. Mopar. We built it. We know it.